What's up, everybody? Your boy J Max, aka Mr. J Sonos, aka J Kia. Don't worry, man, I'm gonna own up to that name soon. Anyways, today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I install a oil catch on my Kia Optima Turbo SX. I'm gonna just show y'all what I have. So this is the non-baffled oil catch can. They're pretty simple. It's about $60 locally. There's the baffled and the non-baffled. This is the non-baffled. I looked at it as it's gonna do better than what's having none at all, because the baffled can is about $300 US, which in no way, shape, or format I'm willing to buy. That's basically money to do my tune or my Maxima. So this Kia won't get that type of work done. So I just bought something cheap locally, and yeah, we about to do this. So I have with me here a brass fitting. I've got it down to size. Y'all gonna see what it's for. The hoses, the mounting bracket is in the car. So for the Kia Optima Turbos, there was 2 holes that I used for the mounting bracket. I'll show you all exactly how it goes on. And yeah, so first thing you want to start by is popping out your oil cover. Just pop the side, pop the back, and she pops right out. Next thing you want to do is locate your PCV valve. It should be just south of your oil cap, and you're just gonna unhook this hose with a pliers or something of some sort. So you get your adjustable pliers, and you pop this way, and you just ever so slightly yank on this hose. So because of the location of the oil catch, I will have to extend this. This is the reason why I'll have the brass fitting. So I'll show you how to do that. The next thing you want to do is take your bolt and washer and screw it to the car. For the meanwhile, I can only use one screw because there is a screw at the bottom that's affecting it from bolting up to both holes until I shave it off or something like that, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to use the one, and that should hold it pretty firm and tight. That should hold it pretty firm and tight. So as you can tell, it's in a safe location. Okay, next step. You want to measure your hose. Next step, you want to measure your hose. So you're going to have one inlet, one outlet. So the closer one to the PCV valve, I will use. So seeing that I won't be using this on here, I'll just take this off and I'll put it on this one. So I'll put this in here. I'm not sure if I could see. The camera is picking up that. I think that should be right there. So you put the hose into here. Put it in there nice and snug. And I'll monitor it as I'm going to the car wash. So this will come here, seems to be on snug. And now I'm going to take this hose and stick it in here. So you want to make sure it's not, actually, just to be on the safe side, I would make this hose slightly shorter, just to be on the safe side. just to be on the safe side. I'll make that hole slightly shorter so it doesn't rub on the belt. And there you have it. An oil catch can for 2014 Kia Optima. So I'm gonna just run through the steps again. First, you want to remove your engine cover. Second, you want to mount your bracket wherever you like it. Ideally, it's supposed to be lower than the PCV valve, but because I don't have much room and I don't have a bracket, I'm just gonna leave it here for now. If I see any problems, I would relocate it, but for now I'll just try it out, see what it looks like. Even if all the purpose is to get this oil put inside of the can, I'll see the level. When it becomes too full, I'll just pull it out, pull this out, drain the oil, put it back in without having to disconnect any of the hose. So what I'll do, I'll check for any vacuum leaks or anything like that, but all you got to do is make sure that this isn't rubbing against your belt. So you want to make sure that you don't have the hose too long, and that's it. So let me get the car started up and see if there's any codes or anything any weird shit happening. I'm gonna monitor it just to make sure that everything is running optimal, and because I don't want any issues with this car, I'll drive it to the coin wash and make sure everything is running fine and working well. So all it's doing right now is sending any blow-by oil into the reservoir and taking in clean air. That's all it's doing. With that being said, your boy J Kia signing out. See y'all in the next video. Peace.